Hi, welcome to this brand new video where I wanted to show you a sneak peek of the upcoming G7500 release, the 3.0, which will be running on the G7500 and on the Studio X series. It's now running in the poly mode, and that means you can use it with the different vendors. So you can create speed dials, as you see here, and you can dial to the different parties like Blue Jeans and Zoom, or using Teams via Rail Connect, etc. So you can use it with all those different parties. But with the G7500, what is very powerful is that you can also use it in a native mode. So you can change this whole device, and not only the G7500 but also the Studio X series, you can change it into a specific provider. For example, we can put it in the native Zoom mode. Now the only thing you do to switch is you go into the web UI. So on your laptop you open the browser to the G7500, and here you can choose your provider. So for example, I'm putting it now into the Zoom Room mode. I click on Save. That means the system will now reboot into a Zoom mode. And the nice thing is that it takes approximately, I think, 2 minutes, and your system is in a native Zoom mode. And what you will see is that the G7500, or again, this can also be your Studio X series, is booting now into the Zoom mode. The nice thing is normally you would have a separate PC or anything which you need to have extra. Now there is nothing extra. You will see the TC8 here automatically switching now into the Zoom interface, waiting to pair with the device, and you have the G7500 now in a Zoom mode. And I think this is very, very powerful. Like I said, there's no additional PC hiding under the table. This is natively now in the G7500 or your Studio X series, the Zoom software. Now, besides controlling the Zoom room with the TC8, let's say you already have or your own an 8500 or an 8800, you can also use that. So you can put the 8500 or 8800 in a Zoom mode. And in that case, you can use the touch panel, so use the current Trio UI as the control of the Zoom room, and it's only one cable. So again, we only have here one cable going in the back, using the network cable, including the power, and you're able to combine that all to use that and put that as a control in the room. So besides using those different controls, in case you have a Samsung or a Dell touchscreen, you can also use the touchscreen. So you will see here you got the same options which I'm having on the touch panel are also available here on the touchscreen. So I'm using now a Dell touchscreen. So also you can use, for example, the whiteboard function, and you can grab a pen and just do some whiteboarding. So in case you have a presentation and you want to do some whiteboarding here, that is no problem. So you can choose and save it, or you can just close it. All functions are available also through touchscreen, so you can use them both ways.